Hello dear students, welcome to today's English session. In our session today, we are going to talk about some practice questions related to the story The Snake and the Mirror. Before we take a look at the questions, let us talk about the author. The author of this interesting story is Vaikum Muhammad Bashir, who is popularly known as the Bepur Sultan. He is a renowned Indian writer of Malayalam literature, specializing in novels and short stories. His works gained worldwide acclaim through translations into various other languages, primarily English, which we have read also. Let us talk about the story now. The story, The Snake and the Mirror, it's a short story about a doctor who faces a strange encounter with a snake while he is examining himself in a mirror. The story revolves around the doctor's fear, the snake's behavior, and the doctor's eventual escape from this horrible situation. Let us take a look at our first question. What made the doctor narrate his encounter with a snake? The doctor, who is the narrator of the story as well, and some others happened to discuss snakes. The topic reminded the doctor of his own encounter with a snake, and he started narrating this incident. Now the second question is, why did the doctor have to light the kerosene lamp on reaching his room? The doctor had to light the kerosene lamp because the room did not have electricity, and it was the night time and it was pitch dark. The doctor had limited money, and as a result, he could not afford a better place. The next question is, what kind of a room did the doctor live in? The doctor lived in a small room which was poorly furnished, and it did not have any electricity. The tiled roof of the room was supported by gables resting on a beam. The room faced an open yard and was infested with rats. Now the next question is, why did the doctor live in a small, poor house? The reason is that he had just started his practice and he was not earning much. He could not afford to rent a better and a more comfortable accommodation with his meager earnings. Now the next question, what were the doctor's possessions when he set up his medical practice? The doctor's earnings, they were very meager. He was earning a very small amount. He had about 60 rupees in his suitcase. In addition, he had some shirts, some dhotis, and one solitary black coat. Why did the doctor look in the mirror again and again? The doctor admired his looks and wanted to appear more handsome. He often assessed his appearance by looking into the mirror. Combing his hair carefully boosted his vanity. He was really happy to look at his own face, and he thought that how handsome I am. Which two important and earth-shaking decisions did the doctor make as he looked at his image in the mirror? The doctor made two decisions as he was looking at himself in the mirror. The first was that he would shave daily and grow a thin mustache in order to look more handsome, as he was still unmarried and he was in a very reputed profession. After all, he was a doctor. He was into medical profession. The second decision was that he would marry a rich and fat lady doctor. What kind of woman did the doctor decide to marry and why? The doctor decided to marry a wealthy woman running a good medical practice. He also wanted her to be fat so that in case he made some stupid mistake, he could run away without being chased and caught by his wife. However, this wish was made in a lighter vein and it was not fulfilled. With this question and answer, we come to the end of today's session and I am going to leave you here with a task. There are some questions on the screen. I want you to read them carefully, find their answers and write them in your notebook. Till we meet in the next session, keep learning. Take care.